Welcome, dear viewers, to another exhilarating journey with Financial Whiteboard World. Today, we're embarking on an in-depth exploration of the timeless wisdom contained within the pages of Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This financial classic has not only changed lives, but has also laid the foundation for financial empowerment and success across the globe. Our narrative unfolded through the contrasting perspectives of two influential figures in Kiyosaki's life, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. These characters act as vessels for essential financial lessons transcend generation. Together, let's unlock the wells of insights embedded in this literary masterpiece. At the heart of Rich Dad Poor Dad lies the transformative concept of assets and liabilities. While Poor Dad advocates for job security and stable income, Rich Dad champions the acquisition of income-generating assets. Let's delve deeper into how this fundamental mindset shift can reshape the trajectory of your financial journey. Pause and consider your own financial decisions. Are you currently focused on acquiring assets that consistently put money in your pocket? Or are you encumbered by liabilities that gradually drain your financial resources? Embracing the Rich Dad mindset involves strategic wealth building through the acquisition of income-generating assets. Kiyosaki underscored the paramount importance of continuous financial education. Rich Dad encourages a perpetual journey of learning about money, investing, and business. It's not merely about earning more, but understanding how to make your money work for you. Reflect on your current level of financial knowledge. Are you actively expanding your understanding of investments, entrepreneurship, and various wealth-building strategies? Rich Dad Poor Dad inspire us cultivate financial intelligence and make informed decisions that resonate with long-term success. At the core of Rich Dad philosophy, entrepreneurial mindset. Rich Dad Poor Dad beckons us to think like entrepreneurs, identifying opportunities, creating value, and embracing proactive approach to financial success. Let's delve into how this mindset shift can ignite the flames of your financial journey. Consider your current approach to work and income. Are you stuck in the traditional employee mindset, or are you actively exploring entrepreneurial ventures aligned with your passions? Shifting your perspective to recognize opportunities where others perceive challenges is a key takeaway from this transformative book. And there you have it, an immersive journey into the profound teaching of Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you found this insight enlightening, hit the like button, share your reflections in the comments, and, of course, subscribe for continuous flow of financial wisdom. Keep sketching those financial dreams. This is Financial Whiteboard World.